What's up, guys? Welcome back for another video on the View into Hub's World. Today we got a product review for you all to check out that just might be the perfect gift item for you. All right, the name of it is called Capture Genie. Now, this is a 360-degree tracking, which means that it tracks your facial, so it follows you around. You got auto tracking, multi-stream, right? You can stream live with this item, whether it be on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, and also you can do smart recording with this. You have beauty filters. You can put this on a tripod, which I thought was awesome. And it also has an app that we have to download. Okay. Also, this comes with a 600 milliamp hour battery and it charges USB Type C. Now, it says it takes 1.5 hours to charge up to full. And also, it has USB Type C charging, which is awesome. All right, so let's go ahead. Let's take a look at what comes in the box. You will get a set of instructions, also the USB Type-C cord, and the unit. All right, you all, let's have a closer look at the unit. Now, this also comes in a white, just in case you want the white over the black. You got the power button. All you got to do is just press and hold, and it'll turn it on. You get where you can put this on a tripod. You get your QR codes for the iOS, Android. Just put your finger over the one that you're not going to use, scan the item, and it'll bring up the app that you have to download, and you're ready to go. On the back, you do have where you can charge up your USB. Also at the top, this is where you're going to put your phone. This little knob on the back just tightens the phone up to the unit. And then also these rubber feet I like because it stops it from moving and getting easily knocked down. Okay, so let's go ahead. Let's power this on. There we go. See if we can center this. And you can put this in landscape or you can put it in portrait. Most of you all that do selfies are going to put this in portrait. Let's go ahead and get back out of this. And then we're going to go ahead and go over to where the app is. Cut the app on, and there we go. Now, here's the thing, right? Let's check this out. Let's go back to live streaming. Now, if you're going to live stream, then this is where you want to be. Now, live streaming, you can do TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Snapchat, Periscope, Twitch, and Zoom, which is nice. And of course, you got to pair it up to your smartphone, and then you're all good. Just hit go to set up, and it'll bring you here. Okay, so you can set up your Bluetooth. Go back to camera, and now we're here. So here it is, right? Let me turn it so you can see me a little bit. And you got time lapse that you can go into, right? You got unlimited, 2 seconds, 10 seconds, 60 seconds. You also got photo, got single exposure, double. And you also get video, unlimited, 15 seconds, 60 seconds, right? And also, if you want to unlock this, just tap unlock, and then it's going to unlock it. Now, up at the top, you got tracking. It's going to track objects. It's going to track facial. And then you're going to also get effects. Give you quite a few here. Let's go to beauty. Beauty is here. And then you got filters right down here. Also, you got this. Now, this might be fun for you, right? It's already trying to rotate, but we're trying to get to this real quick. Hold on, let's go in. Hopefully this will stop. And then you got these little filters, right? That's pretty nice. So if I put it here, it's going to count down. So if I move, it's already ready to scan. Hold on, that didn't go through. Let's go ahead, let's do it again. And I wanted to do this one. There you go. So if you want to play with this one a little bit, this is pretty cool, but not for the kid, right? So let's go ahead. We want to get out of this, right? Hold on. It's ready to go already, but we need to get out of here first. So we don't want to do that. Now we're good to go now. Okay. Now it's ready to track, as you can see, and we got it on video, but let's go ahead. We want to do the photo. All right. So here's the photo. There we go. And so we're going to walk all the way around. And so as long as you walk around and you move, it won't take the photo. As soon as you stop, it does a countdown, right? And it takes a photo. Now it's going to continue. So if you want to cut that off, you have to go into settings. So let's take you into settings, right? And then here is where you get your resolution. You get where you can put it in HD. You have continuous capture. That's what you want to cut off if you don't want it to continue to do so. Then you got beauty you can cut off, which is cool. And let's go back into settings because I didn't show you. You got flash you can turn on and off. You got the countdown you can turn on and off. You got zoom, which if you want to do zoom, you can zoom into the object or the person. And then you got exposure, which you can do the same thing. And back to settings. All right, so let's continue now. Just wanted you to understand that. Now you see where it says click to unlock. I like that. And I can move around again. Again, this photo is nice, right? You can get that shot. You want to do different selfies. And that's it. And I thought that was pretty cool, right? So let's go ahead and let's check out video. Now, video is the same way. We're going to leave it on unlimited, right? But if you want to cut this off to where stop taking photos, then you have to go into settings. But we're going to walk around. It's 360 degrees. We're spinning. We're spinning. There we go. And we're going to walk all the way right back around. And that's it. So I thought this was pretty cool, right? The great gift for Christmas, especially for those who like taking selfies, or if you're doing a cooking show, if you just want to have something to put your phone on as a base and that it'll follow you around when you're doing things in the kitchen, you're doing FaceTime with the family. This is an awesome item to have. Again, I believe the price is still $49.99. I will be leaving a link in the description box down below for you guys to go check this out. This is tight. One more shot. Not bad, not bad. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this one, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.